Walking actually into the lab is very fundamental to us to implement what is real, what is genuine in the workplace. First of all, we give them the demonstration. We show them how to do things. Do it plenty of times. Once you are successful and you meet these criteria, you will be clinically assessed. So this is like practical exam. And we have a lot of actually scenarios set for the lab as well as in class. And we also use simulation, sim, as a tool to enhance that critical thinking, basically development.
The lab is very technical. It's also helped me think in different ways. It's also helped me with my fear of taking blood. Just everyone has been really supportive.
So they are certified, they are competent, and they are job ready.